Hey everybody, welcome back to the best coin channel on YouTube. I'm Son of a Silver Stacker, and I'm going to take you over to JM Bullion so we can look at those live spot prices and check out the premiums for the American Silver Eagles and whether or not they're even available right now. But before all that, huge shout out and a big thank you to all of our channel members. Really appreciate all y'all's support. Now, over here to JM Bullion. Looks like all the precious metals are getting beat up from the feet up. We got gold down 427 to 1921.38. Silver's down below the $23 mark at 22.96. Platinum down 11.79 at 929.8, and palladium down 30.10 to 1317.50. Wow, could we see that at the $1,200 mark? Maybe. I bet we do. Now, credit card PayPal payment for the American Silver Eagle that is in stock. You're looking at 41.51 right now, unless that ask, well, yeah, 18.55 is going to be the premium. And will we see the premiums come down? Well, I sure hope so, because it looks like the United States Mint could be, might be, maybe picking up. We got the definite possibility of a firm maybe is what I'm thinking, with the inventory on the sales for the Eagles going up, up, up and away. All right. Now, this is something we should all be thinking about right about now. We are almost at July, and that means a week from well, let's say 2 weeks from tomorrow, these particular two coins drop. That's the Morgan silver dollar and the peace silver dollar. And that's the uncirculated version, folks, not the proof. And I think these two are going to be the ones to own along with that reverse proof set. And I'll make a case for that right here in this video today. Now, first things first, let's go over here to the Morgan dollar. And that is going to be $76. Comes out July 13th. That's right. That's 2 weeks from tomorrow. You can no longer subscribe to this particular coin. All right. Mintage limit 275, product limit 275, household order limit is 25. And they were all over the map with that household order limit. But check this out. On the day it drops, it looks like you can pick up an additional 25 on top of the 25 you've already purchased. Now, I went over to the view, I guess the stock level, the data available, at least that's what it used to be called, and we're looking at 251,289. Well, that's clearly a bit less than the 275, and I kind of looked at it and I went, isn't the United States Mint supposed to allocate about 10% over there to the advanced bulk purchase program? Yeah, so that's about 10% missing. All right, so let's keep on keeping on. Now, this is the peace silver dollar, the uncirculated one. I think this is going to be an important one as well. Mintage limit 275, household order limit of 25. But check this out. I thought this was really, really odd. Yeah, 166,349. Even if the United States Mint took 27,500 off for the, well, let's say, of that 275, that 10%, we're still not going to be even near 166 pickup sticks. I'm telling you, something's off with this. I don't know what. And if the United States Mint doesn't have 275 for this particular one, and they're only at 166, I would say that would be most incredible and something that we need to focus on. Now, I'm going to take you over to eBay because a lot of people are asking, are the 2021 Morgan and Peace dollars going to go up in price now that the 2023s are coming out? Well, I'm glad you asked. All you have to do really is go over to eBay, all right, and look at the sold listings. Okay, look at that, 35 bids on that one with $5 shipping. Where it ended recently over here, right, for the 2021 Morgan Peace dollar. All right, got the piece here. That's an MS69 high relief, $212. That's pretty good for an MS69, $212. And it seems like the Peace dollar is really actually going up in value. Now look at this. This is all MS70 early release. Yeah. Ooh, my goodness. $2,430 sold just yesterday. Look at this other one sold just yesterday. That's an empty boxes. Now here we go. Look at this 6-coin set for $1,085. Did they score? I don't know, but look at that. $1,200 sure seems a lot more than $1,085. Look at this person got the best offer accepted on all 6 MS70 NGC first day issue. That's amazing. But I mean, look at that. What? Yeah, look at this one. 44 bids, set of 6. NGC MS70, 3,472. That was 3 days ago, folks. This is incredible. But look at this. The Denver Morgan for 160.51. And the reason why the Denver Morgan dollar is very expensive is, well, because guess what? Yeah, it's called condition rarity. There's absolute rarity, which deals with mintages, and then there's, well, like I just said, condition rarity. And could we see condition rarity for the peace silver dollar produced in Philadelphia as well as the Morgan silver dollar produced in Philadelphia? We sure could. We absolutely sure could. Now let's keep on keeping on. There's a really interesting tale to tell here. So would you buy a Denver Morgan at 67 or 68? Look at this. The 68 sold for 161. The 67 sold for 181. I can only say that that was an emotional purchase. Look at this, 1249 for the Peace Dollar complete set. Morgan and Peace. Look at this, just COAs and boxes, no coins. 19 bucks. Who wants something like that? Look at this, $1,500 from APMEX, 6 coin. All right. Look at this, 13, 6 coin. Yeah, it looks like these are very popular right now, and they are getting back into the swing of things. But that's not the only story to tell here. Check this out. Now here we are at the next phase here, 2023 Morgan Dollar. And we are looking at this. It is very robust with the sales right now. And I think we can already see a pattern develop with the Morgan sales on eBay. Check this out. Now we have $3.99, all right, for this one. That's $400. That's amazing. And that's a Peace Dollar and a Morgan. You're getting 2 of them, so it's basically $200 per coin. All right, you got the MS-70 here. That's less than $200 per coin because you get both of them there. Here we go. Look at that. Both coins for $441. Wowzers. Incredible. And that's PCGS advanced release. Yeah, that's why. So there's some advanced release stuff going on out there. Look at this, $315 for the two. First day of issue, Peace and Morgan Dollar. $285 for the MS-70 right there. $135 for an MS-70 Peace Dollar. Look at this, an MS-69 is $249.99. Interesting, interesting. But I think this is where it really becomes apparent with what's going on here. So we got the Peace Dollar, that's $157, and I think that's going to be probably one of the most amazing coins, because that's the MS-70. I hope it really has a San Francisco business strike to it. That would be stellar. Now look at this. I think that the PCGS are really more, well, look at this. That's the proof, okay? That's the MS. You're looking at 250 here. 250 there. I'm going to see if I can show you another proof. It's remarkable. It seems that the PCGS is a little bit more expensive. Now, would you do a dual holder, 279.79, or would you do 2 separate ones? There's the proof for 349. So 350 for the proof. There's so much going on here. And then you're looking at 259 and 259 for the proof. So that's easily $500. This one's 350. Isn't that interesting? So it seems like PCGS is the one that's going to garner more favor with the higher prices. Now, here we are, 2023 Peace Dollar. Look at that, selling raw for 104, raw 100 bucks. 349, both of them there. We had talked about that, 399. Look at this one, 441. That was definitely an emotional purchase right there. 315. And so on and so forth. Look at that. That's interesting. How'd that get in there? Now, I want to show you this. This is the piece de resistance. Look what these are selling for raw dog style. 3 1/4. Unbelievable. That's the reverse proof 2 coin set for $679. Somebody's already bought that. And that is a proof 70, reverse proof 70. That is, look at this, 360 here. That was 22nd. 25th, 345. Let me do recently ended. Yeah, I did. 27, 26, 22, 25, 24. 23. Yeah, you're looking at about 350 on average for that particular 2 coin set. And that's not even graded, folks. So clearly that is going to be the one this year that's going to have the most, well, either A, potential to make you money, or B, potential to, well, sit in your vault and gain in value over a period of time. Isn't that amazing? I'll tell you, this is just opportunidad. No doubt about it. Let's go over to those plus ones today. Bam, self-control. Well, why is it easier to execute? I don't even know why I said executive. Why is it easier to execute self-control when we know that someone is watching us, i.e., video cameras, peers, coworkers, family members? Some of us don't, right, though? Let's be honest. What if we acted like somebody was always keeping an eye on us? What would the world look like then? And honestly, if you remember, I think that the eye in the sky, the big guy, yeah, might be looking at you the whole time, too. Just remember. Now let's head over here to 395 99.9 KOIN Coin News Radio. This is Metallica, Orion. Good stuff. And that's an instrumental. So if you don't like lyrics, people screaming at you, this one's pretty awesome. So there it is, folks. I want to thank you all for watching. Thanks for dropping by. Don't forget to hit that like button. And if you do like what you're here to see, please sub the channel. It's free. Stacker out.